Welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer photo from Google Photo to Google Drive without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Google Photo. Have you opened up your Google Photo? Select the photo that you want to transfer from your Google Photo to your Google Drive. I'm going to select this particular photo right here. Having selected your photo, click on Share. The next thing you need to do is to click on Share right here. Then swipe this way and make sure you click on Google Drive. So here you go. Next thing you can do is to click on Upload. After a successful upload, you can exit from your Google Photo. Go ahead and open up your Google Drive.